Moving on now, corporate bodies and public-spirited individuals have been employed to support government at all levels through corporate social responsibility in tackling coronavirus pandemic in Nigeria. The charge was given on the sidelines of the distribution of relief materials as palliatives to alleviate the average Nigerian in response to the pandemic with cash and assistance. Admonishing government at all levels on proactive measures in saving lives, the convener, Reverend Fidelis Ayemoba, said the top economic priority right now is containing the coronavirus pandemic. He stressed the need for corporate bodies and individuals to support healthcare workers directly fighting the coronavirus through social responsibility. Now, others who spoke, as well as beneficiaries, underscored the need for a stimulus package and incentives used by government of various countries to stimulate economy and save the country from a financial crisis.
I think the government needs to be more proactive. I want to celebrate God for the Lagos State Governor who has been proactive relatively, trying to make sure we are safe, doing all his very best. But I think at this point, one of the things that can keep people at home is when they have a reason to stay at home, when there is food in the house. And then I think at this point, all the service providers, the power holdings and all of them should be relatively available for people so that they will not be discomforted, trying to look for comfort outside, and then they go outside. With the level of compliance, at least I drive on my personal car, for example, so I may not have contact with people, but I practically see 90% of people on face mask, refusing to shake hands, and so on. So that tells you that people are complying.
Government should take their citizens as their responsibilities and do all they can to protect them, as well as hold God. All over the world, there's going to be issues, serious issues economically, but we know that God is able. These two must come to pass. It doesn't matter what the economy says.
Nigeria, we are not that more populated than the United States of America, but look at what America is doing today. As they know that COVID-19 is a dangerous virus, and they're staying at home.
What the Lord has used them to do in our family during this time of famine, they give us a bag of rice and some money to get some items. We want to really appreciate them and pray that the pocket where they bring it from will not run dry.